Hey guys, this is CNR. In this video, we want to share with you guys the things that we are currently doing with our finances in order to have a better financial future. But more importantly, we want to leave you guys with 4 things that you can do as well to improve your financial future. I'm Caleb.
And I'm Rissa. We are 27 years old and we run our lifestyle brand. Today we get to talk about finances. So what is the first tip?
The first tip is get a consistent income, a job that will pay you a salary every month. For us, what that looks like is that I am actually a high school math teacher. I get paid a salary every month. So you might think that's crazy. How are you an entrepreneur? You have a YouTube channel and you're a math teacher. What? Guys, that's how it works. Until you become independent in your finances, in your side hustle, until your side hustle takes off, you need a consistent income, because that income can actually then help you develop your side business or your side hustle that you're working on. So get a consistent income. That's the first tip.
Tip number 2, have a monthly budget. With your salary, you get paid every month. You need to know where each dollar is going. To put money aside to save, money to tithe, money to pay your bills. We like to use an Excel sheet. At the start of each month, we see what income we're bringing in and what expenses we have to pay, and we try to stick to these every month. So make sure you have a monthly budget.
Tip number 3, like this video and subscribe to our channel. Guys, we're joking, but seriously, if you are enjoying the tips that we're sharing, go ahead and like the video and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, so that way YouTube can send out this video to more people who might enjoy it as well. Now, for the real tip number 3, start investing today. Look, for a lot of you, when you hear the word investing, you think it's this far-fetched idea that is only meant for smart people and rich people, but guys, it's not that bad. We currently do it. If you invest $200 every month from your salary, which is what we do right now, and we're in our 20s, guys, in 20 years, it's going to reach 6 figures. That's the honest truth. If you know how investment works, don't give up on it. Do it and do more of it. If you haven't started investing, go out there and gather knowledge. Just let us know in the comments if you want to see videos on investing. That's the 3rd tip. Invest some of your money.
Tip number 4, our last tip. Make sure you create funds for the future. What does that look like? That means you have multiple bank accounts. Don't just put all our funds in one account. We like to have multiple accounts. That way we can throw money into an account, save it, and not touch it. Save for your future, whether that's a car, a house, kids. Just because you want a car, don't just go buy the car. Create a fund. One thing that we are saving for is an emergency fund. In case something happens, we want to have money saved up. We like to travel. We have a travel fund. Make sure you create those funds, put your money away, save it. You're going to be so happy you did it. Your future self will thank you.
Those are the 4 tips we have for you guys. Let us know in the comments if you're already doing any of these tips that we just shared, or if there is any that you would like to do better at.
And don't forget to like and subscribe if you found this video useful. We have so much more knowledge that we want to share with you guys. We will see you in the next video.